the fox, and I just got the new webkinz. This is Charlotte, my red wolf. Hey! She's so cute. Look how dark she is, and light. I could not tell you the reason why she is named Charlotte, though. Yep. So, let's do some bloopers. Awesome, Charlotte. You just got in the right mood. Yay! And now, we is gonna do something fun. Look. I'm gonna get chucked up there. Ready? Set. Go! Aw, what'd you do? Oh, look, a kitty. This is my really beautiful kitty. Whiskers! Say hi to the camera. Oh, you run. I'm gonna do some prank calls. But who am I gonna call? I know. No, I don't. Never mind. The kitty is very angry. Who's she angry at? Oh, hi, kitty. They hate each other.